Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora and thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, it's all in this look. It's basically me just playing with new makeup products and just talking a lot. So, you know why you clicked this video. You love makeup. You know I take my time on these videos, so you love to hear me talk, or you can stand to hear me talk. So I tried new makeup products, you guys, so if you want to know exactly how I created this look with new products that I just haven't really gotten around to playing with, keep on watching. Hi everyone, let's begin everyone. Okay, so let's, I guess, begin everyone. I'm kind of excited because I haven't played with makeup in a minute. Because last week I was traveling. Ooh, I guess quick little recap, right? Quick little recap. So I, last week, went to New York, and then I went to Houston, and then I went to Austin, and then I was tired. And then when I travel, I usually like don't do like colorful looks because I'm like, let me just play with like a bronzy eye. What? Okay. Hi everyone. So today we're gonna get glam, everyone. I haven't done my makeup in a minute, and I thought, what better day than today? Okay, so I've already now primed my skin. That's why it looks very like primey the house, but it's products you've seen before. So today we're gonna be using a new product for foundation, and we're gonna be using the Morphe foundation. Ooh, I never really played with it, so I gotta make sure that I actually shake this. So I never really played with these foundations because it was like launching while I was moving, so it was like way too much, and like the PR box ended up getting lost in the closet, and it kept all the products, and I was like, oh god, it's in the bag. But today we're gonna be playing with it. I unfortunately kept way too darker of shades than what I thought. I completely forgot that you cannot base. Oh my god, there's a hair on my face. My brows need to be tweezed the house. I'm pretty pale right now because I haven't been out in the sun. I haven't really been tanning, but I will be tanning very soon because the lightest shade that I have is technically what I am right now. I feel like I can pull it off, even then it's like a little bit sketchy. Sketchy the house. I'm gonna be testing out shade F2110. Look, see, I thought it was gonna be this one. This is 3.20. It was just not it. Okay, let's move the bangs out of the way. Also, don't judge my hair. I'm actually getting it bleached tonight. Hi everyone, I'm blonde everyone. Yes, look, I bleached it. Do we live? Do we live? Expect more blonde content coming soon. Who is she? Is she back, everyone? Me blonde is just more fun. I'm not even gonna lie. That's why it looks a mess. So don't judge the mess. Don't come for me. Just don't come for me. Oh my god. Do we have a hair clip on set? On set? Off set? Maybe I don't need a clip. Whatever. You get the gist of it. Apply it with my hand. I also haven't gotten a manicure in a minute, so. I'm just a mess today, right? But I just want to play with makeup. Like, I want to feel pretty. Okay, it's a little full coverage. Like they were not playing when they said full coverage. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna use my Huckling Heel brush and just blend that out the house. It's a little light, but I don't mind it because I'm gonna deepen it up with bronzer. So I'm actually really liking the color. It is full coverage. Oh, I forgot to color correct. I think I can still do that. Okay, we're just gonna finesse the color correction of it all, right? I was gonna use the Dragon color corrector. I'm so fake. I can still get away with that, actually. Preferably, I would do color corrector underneath foundation, actually. Let's wipe some of this off just because I like color corrector underneath foundation.
You know what I mean?
This is full coverage the house! Oh my god. Oh my god, it literally looks like I'm wearing a mask! Oh my god. Oh, I'm living right now. Living the house. No, at this point, even I'm annoyed with how much the house is being said in this video. I'm just letting you know that it is an issue that I'm currently working on myself. It is something that I'm trying to stop myself from saying the house all the time, the house. So we're gonna actually color correct, you guys. We're gonna be using Dragon Beauty today. We're gonna be using the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. Shout out to my bestie for literally coming out with her own makeup line. Yo, where's the egg? It's over there. I just don't feel like getting it. Here's some photos. She just wanted a reason to send like cunty photos of herself. And she swears. Like, swears the house. I've actually been able to see some of the stuff behind the scenes, which was kind of fun. Like, I've known about this now for like a minute. Okay, so we're gonna just apply. The thing about this is that it's very pigmented. Like, it's very a full coverage color corrector. So, with that being said, a little goes a long way. Like, a little goes a long way. So don't be like literally covering everything that you want to cover with color corrector. Apply it within like apply a small amount and then diffuse it out. That's just what I would recommend. And I would recommend like a brush like this. This is a M173. Yeah, I put too much on the top lip. God damn. And then what I like to do is I grab a beauty sponge and just some powder. And then I set it, and this will help kind of separate the two products so that it doesn't mix with your foundation. And I usually don't color correct my beard anymore just because I don't care if you can see my beard. If I don't cancel on my beard, then I look way too much like a girl. So now we can reapply that foundation. Look how it like oxidized to like a really like matchy color. I live actually for this color. It feels very heavy. It almost feels very Studio Fix by MAC. Like it literally feels like that. And honestly, it has a similar smell. I'm waiting to see how my skin is gonna react to this because my skin tends to react relatively like by the end of the night. I wonder what it'll do. Oh girl, no reaction. The skin, beautiful. This, I don't know. That's a reaction to something. I'm gonna just say it's a hickey. Can we pretend it's a hickey? Okay, everyone, so now I've blended it out really well. What I did was I applied concealer. I was gonna use the concealer that came within the kit, this one, but it actually started to oxidize a little bit darker than what I would like it to look like. So I went with a full coverage concealer. This is the Jouer one in the shade Honey. It's very light for it to be called Honey. But I like it because it's a very full coverage concealer that it's actually blending really well with the foundation very nicely. Like very nicely. I mean, I put on a very hydrating moisturizer on, so it's actually not that matte looking. And I'm still gonna try to make it very like dewy in certain areas, but I wanna show you what it looks like before I set it and do my brows, because those aren't any new products. So here we go. Okay, the skin reading actually very beautifully on camera. You guys, I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at this foundation. It's actually coming out really pretty. The finessement of it all, Eyes, we're using a brand new palette. Well, it's gonna be a total of 3 brand new palettes. Looks a little like this. I can't remember who posted about this. This is by Ace Beauté, Blossom Passion palette, Slice of Paradise, and then Classical Paradise. And then I have another one that's more purple, but okay, so I was just watching RuPaul's Drag Race, right? Live, right? I was thinking, I'm like, what look do I want to film today? Because I knew I wanted to film, and I was like, well, get inspo from RuPaul's Drag Race. And then they were doing the orange vibe, and then I like the background because it's very pink and orange, so I thought, why not create like a pink and orange eye? So I think I want to do like a pink exterior and an orange lid, because I feel like my norm would be pink lid, orange exterior, which could be really pretty though. Let me just show you the palettes while I decide, right? Okay, so this one is the Slice of Paradise. Look how pretty that is. Hi, camera. Like, this one's Colorful the House. This one, which is like pinks, So Pretty the House. Classical Paradise. Look how pretty this is. It's like a forest. That gives me like very greenish vibes, which pretty obsessed, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna be just playing with colors. I think I have to like bring you in closer. Flamingo, this pink one right in the center. Oh, it's kind of like a lightish pink. Let's see. Oh, that's pigmented as fuck! Oh my god! Yo! That is too much pigment. Oh my god, that is so much pigment. Okay, I'm gonna switch brushes. That brush is way too big. I'm gonna get the Morphe M456. Just something a lot smaller. Oh my god, that is so much pigment. Okay, that's kind of why I wanted to try this. Because it looks hella pigmented online. I don't even have my eye primed. Like, I don't even use primer. Look how pigmented that is. I guess it's gonna be a pink exterior, right? I wanna play with it some more and make it a little bit pinkier. I'm gonna go in with Rose Finch, which is this color right here, just to spruce up the pinkiness of it all, because it's reading a little coral. And then I think I'm gonna do the orange lid. Am I? Why is it so hard? No, I've done a pink lid, right? Yo, this is hella pigmented. How pretty. Like, imagine this like on a white eyeshadow base. Ugh, the pigment. Okay, so far, the Slice of Paradise palette, bomb. Money. Oh, and it wasn't even that expensive, I feel. I think I'm gonna go more for like a halo-y eye shape, like a round shape, as opposed to like a cat eye shape. Because I don't want to do like a liner moment. I feel like I always do cat eye shapes. Because it helps with my eye. My face is just designed for a cat eye. Ooh, okay, I like that for the exterior. Okay, so I'm using Flamingo now to buff out the edges of it. Also, don't judge my brow, because even though I don't really have brows, I do have stray brow hairs. So if you see some brow hair, don't judge it. We all got some. Speaking of Drag Race, have any of y'all been watching Drag Race this season, who are your top contenders? Like, who do you live for? Like, I live for Miss Vanjie. Like, the personality is just like addicting to watch. Like, I just live for her voice. Like, I'm just like, oh, and she's giving me quality outfits. Plastique is so pretty. I feel like Miss Silky Ganache is like super funny. Like, I live for all that personality, especially for on TV. Like, I just live for her personality on TV. Like, I live. Okay, everyone. My friend Jesus called me and I got distracted. But look how pretty this is already. Okay, so I'm using basically Rose Finch, this hot pink, as the main pink, and then diffusing it out with Flamingo. And then for the lid, so I went into this color, Carnation, which is like this beautiful coral that does not read the same on my monitor. So I'm hoping it reads well on camera because it's stunning in person. Stunning! Very annoying, I know. No, I know. I 100% agree that I'm annoying the house. Annoying the house. These are so pigmented, even without a white base. Cause I'm like, yo, this on a white base is like sick. Also, I'm very fake because I swore I could just do a round eye. No, bitch. I love a little lifty moment. What can I say? I'm going now in with the hot pink into the crease just to help intensify the pink. I like this eye more because of the brown, and it's already coming out so pretty, so I'm like, yo, it's coming out pretty bomb. I just want to do a little pop of the orange kind of coral underneath. The level of pigment is phenomenal, but I'm loving it even without the eyeshadow base because it's kind of like diffusing it out to where you can layer it really nicely. And I mean, this is really pretty. Should I do like a pop of yellow on the inner corner just for like shits and giggles? Like for shits and giggles. Ooh, I want to do this yellow right here. Look how electric this is. Oh, this is daffodil. Literally yellow. Yellow! Or what if I did a pop of blue? Ooh, wait, a pop of blue? Like very tropical the house, right? Okay, let me do the other end, then I'll be right back. You guys, I'm actually really obsessed with this palette. Well, with these palettes, because it's multiple ones. Like, look at how pretty that is. Ugh, and there's like literally no eyeshadow base. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I want to do the yellow on the inner corner, but I want it to really pop. So there's two yellows. I'm gonna start off with the matte yellow and put it on the inner corner, and then top it off with this shimmering yellow right here, Sunflower. Hopefully that comes out cute, right? Because so far I'm like living for it. Look how bright that is. That's just a matte color. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Now let's try the shimmer. Ooh, that's metallic. Okay, you definitely have to give it a second layer. Oh, but that's pretty though. Ooh, these are, oh my god. Okay, I'm actually fucking living for this eye look. Okay, let me put on lashes and then I'll be right back. Oh my goodness. You guys, oh my god. Lashes, let me just tell you lashes before I put it away. I'm wearing Batty B lashes in Saucy. I wanted them to be like really, really long. So now we're gonna blush up the face. I'm gonna actually go in with Peaches by MAC. I just want more color. I've never applied this much blush and I'm living. I want it to be very like, I've been out in the sun, tropical island girl realness type of vibe. Instead of like a new highlight, I'm actually using my OG KKW one. It's very like super glittery. So I'm trying to be even glitterier. Is that a word? I don't know. Oh my god. Yo, this highlight is bomb. So I want to brighten the face with my Dragon Beauty brightening powders. And I'm gonna use the yellow one. I haven't technically played with the new ones. I'm gonna use this brush just to pack on some of the color and then be able to buff it out. With brightening powders, I tend to go little by little by little because a little can go a long way. And it's harder to like remove than to add. I feel like with makeup just in general. Ooh, it almost like cleans up. Oh, that's so pretty, okay. And then just a little like right here. You can go down the center to create a natural highlight. Like look at the difference between this eye and this is just light. I don't like to go too bright underneath my eye. This is without it, pretty. But like with it, Okay, now let's do it to the other side. And then I'm grabbing, with the fluffier brush that I'm diffusing everything, I'm grabbing this kind of like peachier one just to help blend the two together. That way I'm not too bright, like too yellow based. Like see, it like blends so nice together. Oh, you know where you can put it though? Like right brightening powder, you guys. So it's gonna brighten those areas that you place it in. Okay, now let's spray the face, right? We're gonna use All Nighter setting spray. Actually, no. First, Morphe. Then All Nighter, just a couple pumps. Okay. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm gonna use an oldie but a goodie. This is KKW Classic Icon number 2 because I'm gonna actually put the new Artist Couture gloss on, but because it's slightly sheer, I do want some pigment underneath, so I want it to be like a light nude. Yeah, like that kind of nude, just very like mauvey nude. And then I'm going in with Climax, which is this beautiful rosy nude, like pinky nude with gold in it. Oh my God. Oh wow. You know what? I did expect a pretty iconic gloss because Mac Daddy's like the king of a glossy lip. Oh my God. Okay, let's lower the hair just so I don't look as crazy. Okay everyone, and this is the final look. I feel like we need to move in closer, right? Like, I'm kind of obsessed with this look. I've never like really played with this. I'm living. There was a lot of products, a lot of them that I liked. You know what's one that I didn't show you? Because I don't know exactly if it's new. I just got it in the mail. This is by MAC. This is the Extended Play Giga Black Mascara, which I'm guessing is kind of like the bigger sister to this one. This mascara I'm obsessed with because look, it's super tiny. You can get into your little lashes, but it's really pointy. Your little lashes, because my lashes aren't little. And you can really get into them and like individually, it's really pointy. But I was like, this looks like it, but I've never personally played with this one. So I don't know if it's new or not, but it's really good. Like the wand is really bomb. It made my lashes really nice. So that's one product I didn't show you. But other than that, I loved everything. The foundation. Okay, Morphe, you did that. I'm not gonna lie, you did that. It's actually really beautiful. The skin came out really, really nicely. The eyeshadow palette, oh my God. If you have not heard of Ace Beauté, maybe I'm the last person on this planet. Like this came in like a pack of 4 and it said like you can buy like the PR box version, and I was like, you know what? If you want to feel your beauty influencer fantasy, you can get this in like an influencer kind of packet. But I just bought the 4 and they came fully like packaged really nicely. They're really, really nice. I highly suggest. The gloss, amazing. Love it. Lashes, love. What else did I use? Dragon Beauty. Look how bright I am. But you guys, it's not up to me to make the final decision. It's up to you. What did you think of any of the products? Did you like anything? Would you buy anything? Would you pass on anything? I truly want to know because makeup is subjective, so it's very different for everybody. So let me know down in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see Gabriel in color, I live. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can, well, you won't be notified. You actually have to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. So make sure you hit that little bell as well. And until next time, bye everyone. Yo, I need a fucking haircut.